Why is language crucial for children to grasp abstract concepts in vocabulary? Imagine trying to explain something you can't see or touch. How do you help a child understand ideas that are not concrete? That's where language plays a big role. When children learn to talk, they start with simple words about things they can see and touch. But as they grow, they need to understand ideas that are not so obvious. These are called abstract concepts. They include feelings, time, size differences, or relationships between objects. Children usually begin to understand these ideas between 1 and 2 years old. Their vocabulary grows as they talk more with caregivers and others around them. Through conversations, children learn that words can stand for ideas that are not directly in front of them. For example, they learn the word happiness does not mean a specific thing they can hold. Instead, it is an idea or feeling. To understand this, children need to think beyond what they see and connect words to their own thoughts and feelings. Language helps children develop this kind of thinking because it gives them symbols to representing ideas. Without words, it is hard to think about or talk about things that are not present. When children hear rich and varied language, they learn to organize their thoughts and understand how ideas relate to each other. This is important for their overall language growth and helps them communicate more complex ideas later on. Children who have delays in speech or language often find it harder to grasp these abstract ideas. They might struggle with figurative language like metaphors or idioms. This can make it difficult for them to understand stories, solve problems, or explain their feelings. Speech-language therapists often work with children to teach these concepts explicitly. They use concrete examples, pictures, and social interactions to help children connect words with ideas. Supporting children in learning abstract words can include showing them objects of different sizes to explain bigger or smaller. Playing games that involve following directions about space or position helps them understand relationships. Encouraging storytelling and imaginative play also helps children practice using abstract language. Repeating these words in meaningful conversations helps children internalize and use them confidently. In the end, language is the key to unlocking understanding of ideas that are not visible or tangible. It gives children the tools to think about and communicate complex concepts. When children develop strong vocabulary skills, especially with abstract words, they are better prepared to learn, solve problems, and express themselves clearly. Speech therapy and early intervention focus on building these skills because they are essential for children's overall communication and learning success.